Hey guys, we're back with our new video of the exercise. So today is the 22 video of the exercise, and it's so many days that we're making the videos, and my mother is also making the videos with me and doing the exercises. So in today's video, I'm trying some new exercises with you guys, and I hope that you guys will find them useful. Okay, so let's get started with our first exercise, because the first exercise is always the easy one, so that's why then we'll move towards the difficult. Okay, so the easy exercises that we're going to do is that first you have to do like this, like you have to make like this, and open hand line like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a protection sign and then open your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so now we'll be moving towards the second exercise. So the second exercise is that you have to bring your foot like this, and you have to give weight from right leg first, so like this, and you have to fold your knees and give weight forward and keep your back leg straight like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we'll be moving towards the third exercise. So the third exercise was that you have to do like this. Okay, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is very good for this part of your hand. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we'll be moving towards the fourth exercise. So in the fourth exercise, what you have to touch your you have to uplift your right knee, touch this, and you have to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you're moving this way, your foot is getting exercise like this. You have to uplift and then go down. So this way your foot is in motion. Okay, and now we'll do the same thing with our other leg like this. We have to touch our leg with the knee and come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And these exercises are very easy. You can do it by standing or just start doing it. It's very easy. Okay, so now we'll be moving towards the fifth exercise. Okay. So let's get started with the fifth exercise. In this, you have to open your legs, stretch your legs within you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay. We are done with our fifth exercise, and I will be moving towards the sixth exercise. So in this, we have to make a motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch your hands. First, we stretch our legs, and now we have to stretch our hand. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as we're done with the fifth and sixth exercise, so now we're moving towards the seventh exercise. So in the seventh exercise, what you have to do, you have to sit down. Take your hand and open your leg as much as you can. Like this. 1, 2. It's not necessary that you're opening your stretching should be full. And now with the other hand. First, what you have to do is you have to open your stretching. So first come forward like this. And now you have to sit down. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. And get up. So now we'll be moving towards the last, and it's the 8 exercise, because up to now we have been 7, so now we'll be moving towards the 8 exercise. So in the 8 exercise, what you have to do in the speed, you have to do like this. In the splitting motion, first with the right leg and with the left. And uplift your knee as much as you can, like this. That is starting. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we have done 8 exercises. I hope that you guys enjoyed all over the video, all the exercises, and hope find these exercises helpful, and make sure to try these exercises at home. And that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the next video. Till then, bye bye.